Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was actually just sent this really cool camping stove. This is actually portable, which is great. It's actually 304 stainless steel, and this is actually a really nice idea for camping because it actually hooks up to a propane tank. As you can see, I've got my line attached to the standard 20-pound propane tank over there. They also give you an adapter if you need to adapt it to a different size propane tank here. But what makes this so unique is the fact that this drawer, it actually cooks from the top using an infrared panel up at the top. This drawer slides out, locks in place. You actually have your grill grate here. Again, nice stainless here. They actually have a tray underneath that you can use for a drip tray to catch everything underneath. They give you a secondary tray. You can put it on top for a warming tray, or you can swap it out if maybe you're cooking several things. But what we're going to do is show you how quick this heats up. This actually heats up to 1600 degrees in about 2 minutes. Now I'm just going to put a couple of pieces of chicken on here just so that you can kind of see how this works here. But we're going to put this in here like that. Turning it on, there's one AA battery you install over there to give it the ability to spark. I'm going to show you up underneath here so you can see how this lights up. Now as you can see, it's actually lit. There's a blue flame right there. I'm going to go ahead and turn it up to high. So now it is kicked on high, and in less than 2 minutes, I can already feel the heat blasting out of this thing. This handle on the side over here actually allows you to raise this up. So you're going to push in on this button here and raise it up. It goes up all the way up to the top. And you can get that food just as close as you want to get it to that piece there. And as this takes it's just a couple seconds here to heat up to 1600 degrees, I can actually already hear that chicken sizzling in there. I mean, this will cook a full steak in less than 5 minutes, and you can easily pull it out. You're going to want to flip it over and then pull it off of there, and this would make a really tasty treat for camping. Now, it does have a couple of handles on the sides, so that if you are needing to move this around, it's not extremely heavy. You can take it in an RV. Again, the 304 stainless is completely around this thing, so it should be very long lasting. And it did come with some rubberized feet underneath, so that way you can actually put it on a tabletop or something and it's not going to be, you know, rocking around on there. It's going to stay put in place. So it's a really neat idea. I like the fact that you can sear this. Like I said, I can hear that thing just popping and sizzling in there, just cooking right away. It's going to be able to cook it quickly, so it should use less gas as far as doing that, and provide a nice, great meal for any camping experience.